Hello, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to look at how to make a sugar skull, so let's get to it. First, print the STL file on a 3D printer, the link of which can be found in the attachment. We will clean the printed parts. Then we take a small bowl into which we pour water. We'll pour it out afterwards. A wet film will remain in the bowl, which will serve as a binder for the sugar. We will prepare granulated sugar and powdered sugar. The skull is best made of granulated sugar, but for better details we also add powdered sugar. Put 4 small spoons of granulated sugar and 2 small spoons of powdered sugar into a wet bowl. Mix everything carefully so that the mixed content is equally moist everywhere. Pay attention to the ratio of water and sugar. If you make the consistency too wet, it will stick in the mold. If you make it too dry, it won't hold its shape. The drier the better. The wet walls of the bowl will moisten the sugar sufficiently. After thorough mixing, fold the mold. It is designed in such a way that it cannot be folded other than the way it is supposed to be. Pour sugar into it and use a wooden spoon or something else to smother the mass, mainly in the area of the lower jaw. When the mold is full, close it with the top lid and press it with your hand. It is always better to have a reserve that can no longer be pressed by hand, so we take a mallet or a hammer and carefully hammer the top part in. This will achieve higher pressure and the skull will hold its shape better. Then carefully remove. The skull is loose and we let it dry for about an hour or 2 at room temperature. After that, it is already solid and does not fall apart. And that's all. Let me know how it went in the comments and if you have another process that worked for you when making this skull. Also write to us how you had fun with her, for example on Halloween. Have a good time and see you next time.